Guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a diagnostic inspection on a Corsa. I've got it running here, I've brought it in, it seems to be running okay. I think the exhaust's a little noisy. Sounds a bit racy down there. So we'll pause here. We've got the hotel hooked up. Now you see there, it's already pulled all the data for us. There's a Vauxhall this one. So we'll pause again. Right, going through its fault code scan now. One fault in the engine. So if it is the exhaust, what I would maybe be expecting to see is an O2 sensor, a lambda sensor fault or something like that. It might be something completely different, but we'll pause here, we'll get the wee car on the left and we'll have a look at it, okay? Right guys, I was completely wrong. So radiator coolant temperature sensor circuit high. I've just been inspecting the car and I've heard the coolant fan coming on. Oh, she's a bit sweaty and the oil leaks. So that one up there is the radiator one. There is one on the side of the head. Oh, she's got a new subframe. Suspension arms are rather crusty. The backing plates are all breaking up on it. Let's stay them. So the backing plates are gone. Got a new spring up there as well. Strut's very old looking, very rusty original. Drive shaft seal looks like it's leaking. Gearbox sump is going to want done. That exhaust flexi is actually split, so that's maybe why it is a wee bit noisy. There's a little bit of it there actually, so that's maybe making a horrific noise. Yeah, I'd say that flexi's on the road out, definitely. So you can see it, it's all cracked there, and this bit here is obviously just broken out. We'll maybe see if we can cut that off for the gentleman. So definitely a bit of a leak there happening. So I've not found any playing any pins, bushes or ball joints, to be honest with you. Those suspension arms, I would just advise replacing them, to be honest with you guys, because they're rather crusty looking. Rather crusty. Same with the shock absorbers. I can't believe I went into all that trouble putting new springs on them. You know, very rusty. We'll see if the usual phenomena on the Corsas. Nobody seems to notice that the brake pipes need done. Oh yes, these ones need done. They're all swollen under the coating there, you can see it. So you can see the rust right there. It's all swole up. There's no so there's no hanger there, it's broke off, missing. No hanger. So it needs the exhaust done. Yep, that brake pipe there, all swollen, you can see it. It's swollen here as well. That one's not too bad actually, for whatever reason. That one's starting to swell a little bit. Rear springs look intact. Just had the shockers done in the rear. Brake pipe looks okay there. Brake pipe looks okay there. Yeah, so those shockers have been done. Heat shield's missing for the rear exhaust. No big drama, it just needs this one for MOT. Heat shield's missing from the middle as well. So, yeah, I would advise having them done. They're rather rusty. The shocks are rather rusty as well, but it's not a major concern, to be honest with you. But I'd like to think the metal's nice and thick in there. That spring's actually a little bit corroded, but yeah. So really, the main concern on this little car then is just this engine coolant temp. So we'll get the car down just now. We'll have a little look at the levels on it. We know it's got an oil leak on there, so that's going to want attention. Right, so we will save all this data before we delete it. Pause here again. Right, so I heard the coolant fan coming on there again in the car. I know where the gentleman works, so I know how far the car's come today. So that should be forwarded on to me. I'll go and double check that. So I've got a copy of them, so we can delete this out of here now. We'll go and switch the car off actually. Let's put the ignition on. Only fault code in the car, so that's good. Yeah, we need to replace that. It's obviously, it's not seeing it. So radiator coolant temp sensor. I'll try again, but oh, passed it that time. Right, hang on. Right, so the light is off. Obviously that fault did clear. But we will just scan again just to see if it ever reappears. Right, so it's not reappeared at the moment. Right, so it's already had this one done by the looks of it. This is the engine coolant temp sensor in there, so that one's going to want done down there. And it looks like it's got a new thermostat on it as well. Oil pressure switch has been cable tied for whatever reason. So thanks for watching, guys. Haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and have a great day.